My name is Pamela and I'm 50 years old. I was diagnosed with MS in 1984, so I've had it for 26 years. And the main symptoms that I'm experiencing now are numbness and tingling in the arms and in my feet. My right arm feels like a heavy lead object when I lift it. I can't tell what I'm touching with my hand. And my legs, my right leg is numb and weak. My left leg, I'm on it all the time, and my left hip is getting more and more sore. I have problems with balance. I have to use either a walker or cane or a wheelchair, depending on what distance I'm going. And my husband, Brian, here has been with me for the last 10 years, and we've had a wonderful time, but we decided to look into this liberation treatment when we saw it on the news, and I went to a seminar with the MS Society in Calgary, and they were saying not to do this, that they had to do studies and don't rush off, they don't know if it'll work. And we had someone at church that went to India to have it done, and they came back and they're walking around without their cane now, and his pain was gone immediately. And we just found out about this XL Heart Center just by chance on the internet. I was just looking to see where we could go, because I knew I couldn't go for a long flight, because I can't handle long distance travel. And we looked this one up, and because it was not too far, we decided we would check into it. I typed in my application on the internet, hit the send button, and in less than a minute, Medicist was phoning, and our case manager had the process going. This was November 9th. Today is December 1st, and tomorrow I'm having the liberation treatment, and I'm hoping to be walking without any assistance.
Okay.
But if nothing happens except it stops it where it is, I'll be happy. Like, I'm not expecting miracles. I know this isn't a quick cure, but if it'll relieve even one of my symptoms, it's all worth it.
Okay, so you're so in pain right now with your hip, and you have so many symptoms, so one of them gone is good for you.
Exactly.
Okay, and right now that you're here in Excels, what's your first impression right here?
My first impression when we got picked up at our hotel and got to the hospital, there were people outside to greet us, and our head nurse, head contact, was out there, and one of the doctors, we got on the elevator with him. That was going to be, he was the cardiologist.
Cardiologist, yeah.
And, you know, the facility is just wonderful. You know, it's like you're staying in a five-star hotel. The food is great.
Okay.
And everyone is so friendly and upfront with everything. They're not hiding. Whereas some of the places that I did phone, it took them forever to get back to me. But with World Medicist and XL Heart Center, I couldn't ask for it to be done any better. I'm totally calm about the procedure. I'm not afraid of it at all, because it's been described to me. You don't do the stents here, which was one of the things I was concerned about, because of blood clots and them getting loose and getting into the bloodstream. But all the doctors that I've met and the nurses and everyone, they just make you feel right at home. And I'm just happy that we were able to get in so soon.
Okay.
A nice Christmas present.
Yeah.
It's gonna be. Okay, man.
And wait for a little more.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.